side you want? That's the side you want? What's good, YouTube? It's the Dreadlock Wonder.
And baby.
It's Dreadlock Wonder Wednesday.
And baby.
So you know we back with another video. I have here my girlfriend. Her name is, what are you gonna go by? Bbygalish?
Yeah, man, I'm not releasing
She just started her YouTube channel, so go subscribe. That's just gonna be in the she's slacking though, bro. Wait, has it been a week since you posted the first one?
Not even a week.
What days are you gonna post?
Maybe Sunday.
Sunday? Alright.
Sunday.
So today you uploading this Sunday? Alright,
yes, ma'am.
Hold her
yes,
to
ma'am.
it. What? What'd you say? No. But yeah, so today we got a package from Willshot. It's lit. Oh, his name is William. That's fire. Well, anyway, he's a jeweler, based in New York City. Well, I think he grew up in Houston. He's from Houston, but he's in New York. So it's fucking gang, you heard. But yeah. So I got a ring. This shit is fire, bro. Well, actually, my baby got it for me for Valentine's Day. Thanks. Oh my God, thanks. Cause I love rings, as you can see. Family man's always got the rings on and that. So yeah, we gonna unbox it. Came in a box. I thought it would come in an envelope, but shout out to him for that. That's what I'm saying. Well, if it's in a hard case, it doesn't matter. But bro, it's supposed to just. Oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah, shout out to him for not doing that. It did take a little bit. I'm not even gonna hold you, but when we reached out, the customer service was fast. He was like, Fashion Week just passed, so he was like, Fashion Week held him back a little bit. We got the paper in there, cushioning. Oh, we got some stickers. Oh,
that is not.
Yo, Matt, what is this? Oh. What is it? Oh, all right. I'm gonna do some up close B-roll. Don't worry. Paper. Nah, this I really respect it because, like, you know, you spend good money, or you know, your girl spends good money, and you want it to be protected. You feel me? We got the leather. Okay, heard you. The leather. We got a cleaning pad or a cleaning cloth, and just the stickers. It's in here. Oh. Keep it. Nah, imagine. We open it, it's like Juju.
Nah, that's not it.
Yo, this is fire, bro. Only silver, bro. Ooh!
It's smaller than I thought it would be.
How big did you think it was gonna be?
I thought it was gonna be a little bit thicker than that.
Nah, I was thinking about it before. This shit is split. Remember, right? He gonna watch it like, yo, dada. Yo, it's lit. Unity! you don't know where that's from.
Yes, I do.
Where is it from?
I forgot, but I know where it's from.
Unity! It's lit. So yeah, this shit is, it's like split in half. Let me see if I could get this to focus. Yeah. Shout out to my extra finger. Mans was born with
6 hands.
6 hands?
6 fingers.
Mans was born with 6 fingers, but you feel me? Just make me unique. You heard? On both hands. You only got 10 fingers? Like, what kind of shit is that, bro? Niggas got 12 fingers. You heard? But yeah, so now man's got 5 rings. Shout out to fucking Kobe. You heard? Rest in peace to my guy.
That's crazy.
OD. And I'm 24. It's my Kobe year. So like, this shit is really crazy, for real. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna hop into some B-roll. But thank y'all for watching. Turn on the post notifications, bro, cause men's every week, men's got videos dropping every week, bro. That's a fact. Like, I'm really on my consistent shit. Even with, if you don't know, I'm a designer. I have a brand called 144. Even with that, I gotta, oh shit, I'm dropping something tomorrow too. That's funny to you? You just abandoned the video. Yo, I'm kind of brawling, you heard? But yeah, so consistency, bro, is the name of the game. Like, and you feel me? It's lit. But yes, thank you guys for watching. Now let's get into this B-roll.